yung tinatawag nating financial literacy is something na kailangang matutunan ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Actually, hindi lang kabataang Pilipino, even kahit yung mga young adults, no? Kasi money is important. Although we are trying to anong tawag dito, tinatagal natin yung kaisipan na money is evil. But money is not really evil. But the love of money is the root of all evil. Money does not make you happy, all right? But money is something that will enable you to do things that will make you happy. Napakahalaga na maturuan ang mga kabataang Pilipino ng financial literacy. Part of financial literacy, yung tinatawag nating setting of priorities when it comes to buying whatever they wanted to purchase, no? Magkaroon sila ng tinatawag nating strategy or principles, no? Sa pagbili ng mga bagay-bagay. Kung ano yung mahalaga, pangalawa, at kung ano yung tinatawag nating urgent na kailangan natin at a certain point.